Today I want to show you how to make some leg quarters. I have been having a taste for some barbecue leg quarters for the longest time. So hey, today is the day. It's a beautiful day. So here I'm just seasoning them up with our Rub is Enough seasoning blend. It is a combination of granulated garlic, black pepper, chili powder, paprika, brown sugar, and sea salt. And as you can see, that's all that's needed. Rub is enough. The name speaks for itself. So here I just allowed them to marinate overnight, and I am spraying them down with a little bit of non-stick cooking spray. Look at how beautiful the day is. The sun is out, the chicken is seasoned to perfection, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. Here I'm just adding it to our hot coals. And how I grill, I just allow them to get a little color to them directly on the heat, and then I move them to the top rack to allow them to smoke indirectly for about an hour and a half. At this point, you can add your favorite sauce to your chicken, or you can eat it as is. Here I served mine with mac and cheese and fried cabbage. If you haven't ordered our Rub is Enough seasoning today, go ahead. The link is drekspot.com. That's DREKSPOT.com.